Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Let's actually talk about another Reddit rumor. There has been some rumors on Reddit. I can't completely confirm, but it seems like they're saying they're switching from XRP to ADA. Now, that would be good for me because I own some ADA, but that would also put me in a tough position of should I sell or not, and how much should I sell on the ADA stack. Now, for instance, we know that the XRP Pump actually took it from like 20 something cents to maybe like 70 cents before dropping off. But it didn't happen on the timing they actually said. They actually pinned Monday or yesterday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to actually do the pump. However, the pump actually happened in the 3 or 4 days preceding that, and when the Monday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time actually came, it dumped like crazy, which means the whale basically tricked all the naive XRP investors to actually buy in while he sold all his XRP off and ran off like a thief. So a lot of people got wrecked. A lot more people than are willing to admit, because like looking at based on the pricing, a ton of people actually got wrecked. So now they actually might be moving to ADA. Well, so what should you expect and what should you do? It could pump at any time. If you actually see a date on a Reddit or Telegram group, do not trust that date. You saw what happened to the XRP date. Generally, like pumps are random and sporadic, and people who are actually organizing it will not tell you at all when they're actually planning to pump. If they tell you a date, that generally means like the pump is almost done by that date, or they want to sell on that date. I mean, they might get to that date, pump a little bit just to get people interested before they start dumping all their bags. Because like they basically want you to buy in at that specified date. Like smart people buy in way before that date. They buy in even way before the rumor even begins, or before the rumor begins. Because by the time you hear about a date, it's already pumped somewhat. And like a little bit before that date comes, it's already pumped all the way. That's how all these pump and dumps work. Because like the organizers in crypto, they're not really out to punish Wall Street or anything. They're actually just aiming to get money. And the way you would get money is to buy in when the price is still low, and then encourage everyone else to pump the price high, and then sell while everyone's trying to buy. And they did exactly that in the last XRP Telegram pump. Because like 8:30 a.m., I actually watched it at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 7:30 here, so it was pretty early for me. But the price literally dropped like 15-20 cents immediately at that point. So if you see an 88 date, you probably want to buy in at least 2 or 3 days before that date actually happens. You do not want to be holding the bags when that date happens. Now, after it dumps massively after that day, you can rebuy and actually refill your coffers and repack your bags that way. And that is actually how you get the most out of this pump. So what you should do if you actually hear about this pump is that if you're already in like I am, just hold on to your bags, and then basically if the price suddenly doubles or triples or quadruples or whatever, sell the bags just before the appointed date. If you don't have any ADA and you want to participate, if you hear a rumor, buy as soon as possible and then sell before that date. That should be the way to do this. Not like wait until that pump date, because you will actually get wrecked. So if the ADA pump comes to fruition, I'll be hard pressed to sell or not, but I think I probably will sell some just to actually cash in if the exchanges aren't down, and then rebuy afterwards to improve my stack. But it'll be kind of a hard decision for me, but I will probably actually sell if the price doubles or triples. I'm looking for like a 2.5x in price before I sell. It's also a hard decision for me because we know that Mary, Gogan, and a lot of other functionality is actually coming on board this month. So any of those events might actually pump it too. If the pumpers actually tag on to one of these events, it could pump it 5 or 6x, and then like I'll have a really hard time like deciding not if to sell, but when to sell. Because if we go to like $2 or $3, I'm just like, well, I don't really know. Like, should I sell 50? I'll probably like sell half of it, honestly. And, I will at least DCA out, because even if it dumps, it probably won't dump completely to my previous price for 88, especially if like Mary and Gogan actually come out around that time they decided to pump. But that's what I actually heard on the rumors. I haven't really confirmed it. That they are switching from XRP to ADA. I hope it does happen because I'm already in it and I would actually have it before they even buy, so I'll get the full pump. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.